Fix contact search not working in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check if you have the latest version of your contacts application. So as you can see on the screen, there is an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the contacts application. So we're going to go back and then launch the settings application of our device. Then tap on apps and then tap on manage apps, and here on the search bar all you need to do is just tap on it and search for contacts application over here. So as you tap on it, you can see the contact application, so just tap on it and then tap on clear data option over here. You can tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, you can uninstall the updates if the latest update has made it not possible for you to contact search option to work. So you can just uninstall the updates and re-update again, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.